Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram you can't send message for 3 days on iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to in Instagram when I will open the message box that time it's showing you can't send message for the 3 days on your iPhone and Android device. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on my Instagram account. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this video, I give you some solutions for fixing this issue you can easily apply on your account. Now the first one solution is report to Instagram team. Now first of all, open the Instagram application. Now tap on the right hand side corner message icon and select the people. Now take a screenshot of this problem show on your friends and family members. Once the take a screenshot is done, now simple thing is tap on the right hand side bottom logo icon. Now please make sure tap on it. Now tap on the right hand side corner 3 lines and select the settings. In the settings, now again scroll down and find out the help center. Now please make sure tap on it. Now first one option is report a problem. Now the first one is check a phone and you can easily take a screenshot, and second option is you already take a screenshot, then please make sure tap on the send report. Send a report after select the gallery sections and take a screenshot picture select. Select this one photos from the iPhone and Android gallery. Select the pictures after you can easily write some things about your account. These details I give you on my description box, so easily copy and paste in this report section. Once these details is filled, and also select the photos after tap on the send icon. Send a report after wait for the sometimes of the 24 hours you can easily replay and fix your problems. Now the second solution is most important for the Instagram users. Now the second solution is use the web Instagram on your iPhone and Android device. Now first of all select the any one browser. In my case I will open the Chrome browser. Now the top corner search bar, in search bar search instagram.com. Now the bottom edges to select the messenger icon, select the anyone people you can easily send the messages from the web Instagram on your iPhone and Android device. These two solutions to you can easily fix you can't send the message for the 3 days on your iPhone and Android device. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.